Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your bottom camera. First, let's get started with the basics. It's crucial to understand what your bottom camera is designed for, often for specific angles or close-up shots. Always check that your device's operating system and camera app are running the latest version for the best features and stability. Finally, take a moment to physically locate the small lens, usually near the charging port, on your particular phone or tablet. Now, let's dive into basic operation. Open your camera app and look for an icon, often 2 arrows or a camera flip symbol, to switch to the bottom camera. Once active, experiment with essential settings. Tap on the screen to set your focus point and slide your finger up or down to adjust exposure. Many apps offer grid lines, like the rule of thirds, which can significantly improve your photo composition. Practice these simple steps for clearer, more balanced shots. Ready to take your bottom camera skills to the next level? Many devices offer advanced modes like macro for incredible close-ups or panorama for wide, sweeping views. For even greater control, delve into manual settings where you can fine-tune ISO for light sensitivity and shutter speed for motion capture. Consider investing in simple accessories, such as a small tripod for stability or a clip-on macro lens, to unlock new creative possibilities and capture stunning details. Finally, let's talk about keeping your bottom camera in top shape. If you encounter blurry photos, first ensure the lens is clean and your focus is set correctly. For app crashes, try restarting your device or clearing the camera app's cache. A simple, soft microfiber cloth is perfect for gently wiping away fingerprints and dust from the lens. Always use a protective case to shield your device, especially the camera area, from accidental drops and scratches, ensuring longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.